Christopher Mark Luxon is a New Zealand politician and former business executive who is currently serving as leader of the National Party and is the leader of the opposition. He has been the Member of Parliament for the Botany electorate since the 2020 general election. He was the Chief Executive Officer of Air New Zealand from 2012 to 2019. Luxon also served in Judith Collins' shadow cabinet as spokesperson for local government, research, science, manufacturing and land information, as well as being the associate spokesperson for transport. He has been leader since 30 November 2021, succeeding Collins. Luxon was born in Christchurch on 19 July 1970 and lived there until age 7, when his family moved to Howick in Auckland. His father worked for Johnson & Johnson as a sales executive, and his mother worked as a psychotherapist and counselor. The family returned to Christchurch and Luxon finished high school in his birth city. He studied at the University of Canterbury there from 1989 to 1992, gaining a Master of Commerce degree. Luxon has been on the boards of Tourism New Zealand and Virgin Australia. Thank you for watching. Like and subscribe if you would like to view more of our videos. Have a nice day.